Squarespace has nearly 200 templates, and many of them are fantastic. But with so many options available, choosing the right one for your website can be very difficult. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best Squarespace templates for different industries. I'll walk you through some great options for online stores, photographers, musicians, bloggers, artists, restaurants, and even weddings. And stick around until the end because I'll also show you one Squarespace template that works brilliantly for almost any type of website. Okay, let's dive in. I'll start with the best Squarespace template for an online store. Two Squarespace templates that work particularly well for e-commerce websites are Alameda and Crosby. Alameda uses a bright, spacious layout that puts product photography front and center, making it ideal for fashion or lifestyle brands. Crosby offers a more dramatic, editorial-style design with strong typography and a boutique feel. This makes it a great choice for showcasing product descriptions and brand storytelling. You'll find links to both of these templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for photographers. Photography websites need to balance visual impact with usability. Two excellent options here are Gildan and Balboa. Gildan uses an asymmetric layout that gives portfolios a stylish, editorial feel. It also includes a course page if you want to sell photography tutorials. Balboa is more structured, using a spacious grid layout that keeps the focus firmly on your images. I've put a link to both these templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for musicians. Music websites typically need to showcase audio, promote events, and sell merchandise. Two templates that work very well here are Van Damme and Katui. Van Damme features a dramatic full-screen hero image, along with a SoundCloud integration and sections for tour dates. Katui uses a darker aesthetic and includes clear links to music, social profiles, and merchandise. You'll find links to both the Van Damme and Katui templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for bloggers. If you're building a blog, Fillmore and Rivoli are two of the strongest Squarespace templates available for this purpose. Fillmore offers a clean two-row post feed that makes it easy for readers to browse lots of articles, making it ideal for large blogs. Rivoli is built for visual-first content, making it a good fit for lifestyle, travel, or culinary blogs. With a homepage that displays posts by category alongside a personal bio, it strikes a nice balance between content and personality. I've put links to both Fillmore and Rivoli in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for non-profits. Non-profit websites need to do two things well: communicate their mission clearly and make it easy for visitors to take action. Two templates that work particularly well for this are Malone and Clarkson. Malone is simple and mission-focused. It includes built-in donation features, clean typography, and ready-to-use forms, making it ideal for organizations built around a single campaign. Clarkson takes a more storytelling-driven approach, using a bold hero image and scroll-based sections to guide visitors through your organization's story. You'll find links to both Malone and Clarkson in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for artists. If you're an artist, your website should let your work speak for itself. And the Kester and Novo templates are particularly good here. Kester uses full-width imagery and lots of white space, making it ideal for showcasing artwork clearly. It also includes a built-in shop for selling prints or originals. Novo is more visually dramatic, using an image-driven homepage where text appears only when visitors hover over projects, giving your site a gallery-style feel. You'll find links to the Kester and Novo templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for therapists. Therapists typically need websites that feel calm, professional, and easy to navigate. Two good options here are Meriden and Clove. Meriden offers a polished design for service-based professionals and works well with Squarespace Scheduling, the platform's appointment booking system. Clove is designed specifically for counselling practices, with clear sections provided for services, pricing, and appointment booking. You'll find links to both templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for restaurants. Two standout Squarespace templates for restaurants are Auburn and Juniper. Auburn uses large photography and smooth scrolling to showcase dishes and atmosphere. Juniper takes a more minimalist approach, presenting menus and visitor information in a clean, elegant layout. I put a link to both these templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for weddings. If you're building a wedding website with Squarespace, the Ray and Soria templates are particularly worth investigating. Ray uses a single-page layout that guides guests through your story, event details, and RSVP, with a floating RSVP button that stays visible while visitors scroll. Soria focuses more on imagery and storytelling, using large visuals to create an emotional connection while still keeping event information easy to find. You'll find links to both templates in the video description. Best all-round Squarespace template. Before we finish, I want to show you one more template, one that works extremely well for almost any type of website. That template is Hester. Hester uses a clean grid layout with lots of white space, making it very adaptable for portfolios, service websites, blogs, and even e-commerce stores. Its modular section structure also makes it easy to rearrange content blocks and customize pages quickly. So if you're unsure which Squarespace template to start with, Hester is one of the safest choices available. Again, there's a link to this template in the video description. Wrapping up. I hope you found this guide to the best Squarespace templates helpful. You'll find links to all the templates I've mentioned in the video description, along with a link to an extendable Squarespace free trial and an exclusive discount code for the platform. Before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.